Redress of grievances. What is that? Definition of terms. Redress. To set right, to amend, to remedy, to repair, to relieve from, and sometimes to indemnify for, and also reformation, relief, and remedy, deliverance from wrong. Grievance. That which causes grief or uneasiness, that which burdens, oppresses, or injures, implying a sense of wrong done or a continued injury. Those are definitions from the American Dictionary of the English Language, 1828. What does that have to do with me? Did you know that redress of grievance is a guaranteed right provided to you in the states and Federal Bill of Rights? Government officials work for us, we the people. They are accountable to us. They are public servants. You have a declared right to invoke elected officials to bring reformation, relief, or remedy from a grievous wrong. Let's see some examples from state constitutions. Massachusetts Declaration of Rights, number 19. The people have a right, in an orderly and peaceable manner, to assemble, to consult upon the common good, give instructions to their representatives, and to request of the legislative body, by the way of addresses, petitions, or remonstrances, redress of the wrongs done them, and of the grievances they suffer. Maine State Constitution, Article 1, Section 15. The people have a right at all times, in an orderly and peaceable manner, to assemble, to consult upon the common good, to give instructions to their representatives, and to request of either department of the government by petition or remonstrance redress of their wrongs and grievances. More state examples. Texas Constitution, Article 1, Section 27. The citizens shall have the right, in a peaceable manner, to assemble together for their common good and apply to those invested with the powers of government for redress of grievances or other purposes by petition, address, or remonstrance. North Carolina Constitution, Article 1, Section 12. The people have a right to assemble together to consult for their common good, to instruct their representatives, and to apply to the General Assembly for redress of grievances. But secret political societies are dangerous to the liberties of a free people and shall not be tolerated. What is remonstrance? Expostulation, showing of reasons against something proposed. A representation made to a court or legislative body wherein certain persons unite in urging that a contemplated measure be not adopted or passed. A formal protest against the policy or conduct of the government or of certain officials drawn up and presented by aggrieved citizens. That's from Black's Law, 5th edition. Thomas Jefferson said, I know no safe depository of the ultimate powers of society but the people themselves. And if we think them not enlightened enough to exercise their control with a wholesome discretion, the remedy is not to take it from them, but to inform their discretion by education. James Madison said, it will not be denied that power is of an encroaching nature and that it ought to be effectually restrained from passing the limits assigned to it. James Garfield said, now more than ever the people are responsible for the character of their Congress. If that body be ignorant, reckless, and corrupt, it is because the people tolerate ignorance, recklessness, and corruption. If it be intelligent, brave, and pure, it is because the people demand these high qualities to represent them in the national legislature. If the next centennial does not find us a great nation, it will be because those who represent the enterprise, the culture, and the morality of the nation do not aid in controlling the political forces. Summary. We, the people, have a right and a duty to assemble together in a peaceful manner to consult for our common good. We, the people, have a right and a duty to instruct our elected officials regarding the policies for operating our state business. We, the people, have a right and a duty to invoke our elected officials to correct grievous wrongs. Thank you for listening to my presentation.